be a stylist. And push a bell, hit the like and leave a comment. Oh, Miss Unbreakable.
Kiss my lips, but do you feel the way I feel for you? I was lucky to fall in love.
Let me stop playing with you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl MsUnbreakableTimeline here, and we about to do this hair, you guys. So let's get right into it. But first, we're gonna go in with some Sienna Naturals Lock and Seal oil, and I'm doing about 9 pumps, as you guys can tell by the little side numbers. But I like to do at least 9 pumps at first and then add more oil to my hair because my hair is super curly and dry, and this oil is perfect for exactly that, for curly hair and dry hair and kind of like damage a little bit. And I know you guys can see that my hair looks shorter than usual, but it's really not. It's really long, and it's gotten super thick, which I love. But in this video, I'm going to be doing a hairstyle that requires limited heat. So first, I'm going to do like this little swoop bang, and I'm taking this rat tail comb to do that with. And if you guys can tell, my hair is super thick and it's super tangled. What kind of tangled? I had just like washed it because I thought it would be better to wet it and it would be a little bit more like manageable, but y'all, it really wasn't. It was thicker. To me, it seemed thicker. So anyways, I'm just going to start twisting the front of that bang piece because I just want to get it out of the way. Guys, it seemed like it took forever to just do this twist. As you guys can tell by my face, I'm like, okay, now when is this going to end? So anyways, now I'm going to take this easy detangle brush just to brush my hair up into that ponytail. Now this technique that I'm doing, I cannot remember who I got this from and seen on YouTube. I know it's from YouTube, but when my hair is thick and not really manageable, I like to take one scrunchie and put it at the top of my hair, and you guys will see how much easier this just made my ponytail. So I'm just kind of doing like a little rough draft. Y'all know how when y'all do essays, you're in school, you do essays, you do a little rough draft first. So I'm doing like a little rough draft ponytail first and just putting it in a ponytail just to, you know, it's just easier to manage that way. And I'm taking 2 scrunchies. So each time you guys gonna see I'll be taking 2 scrunchies because I do like for my ponytails to be a little tight and sleek looking. But again, this is just a rough draft ponytail, so I'm just doing it just to get it not out the way, but just so it can be a little bit more manageable. So now that I have it up in a decent looking ponytail that I like, I'm going to go in with this even edge tamer, which I got in the extra hold. I freaking love this stuff, you guys, because first and foremost, it doesn't leave my hair white, have that like white cast or flaky at all. So before I put the edge tamer around the perimeter of my hair and behind that bang, I'm going to take out my edges a little bit before I finish putting the edge tamer around there. Now I'm taking some of that edge tamer and putting it in the back because it really needed it. So I'm putting it on the nape area, and then I'm going to take a bristle brush. It's kind of soft, so you guys will see me going later with the edge and comb brush. But before I do that, I'm going to take 2 more scrunchies. So far it's 4 scrunchies in my hair. So before I finish off the ponytail, I'm going to take this Cream of Nature edge control, and this is also an extra hold. I really do like this stuff. The only thing is it makes it really flaky, and I don't like that. But first I'm going to apply it around the same area where I put the even edge control at. But before I finish off, I'm going to take out a little bit of edges on that left side only, and I'm just doing like one little swoop because you don't need all the extra swoops in your hair. So now I'm taking that edge and comb brush and I'm going to brush it back into that ponytail. And if you guys can tell, it looks like it just made it a lot sleeker, and it looks like I got like a fresh new straightening or something. So now I'm taking another set of 2 scrunchies and finishing off with that ponytail, and then I'm going back in with that oil because again, that Cream of Nature edge control does make my hair flaky. So now you guys, I'm taking this Profinity by Conair hot paddle brush, and the reason why I was so happy because I have not used this thing on my channel since I gotten it and that I made a review on. So I was super happy to show you guys this again because I freaking love this hot air paddle brush. It's so convenient, so super fast, dries your hair in like 20 minutes, and with this little piece it literally dried my hair about like in 15 minutes. And I do have a video on this paddle brush, so if you guys have not seen a review on this thing, then please come and check it out. So before we go in and straighten my bang area, I'm going to do a little, you know, edges or whatever, do my little swoop sideburns. Well, I already did edges, but we're gonna do a little swoop sideburns, okay? And it wasn't too much that I needed to do with these sideburns. So now I'm going to take this flat iron that my boyfriend gave me like maybe like 2-3 years ago, which I freaking love, and because it really does straighten my hair like really good, as you guys can tell. So now I want front with you guys. As far as the bang goes, I had issues with this bang. I tried to do this bang like 20 minutes, okay? So finally I got it figured out. I just put some bobby pins on the side, and the one that's closer to my ear was really like sticking down. I think I fixed that later on, but if not, then I just left that thing like that, okay? I was like done with these bangs. Now let's go ahead and do this ponytail. So the ponytail was the easy part, but being that my hair is still thick a little bit, my braid didn't look all that good, which is fine because hair is going to go over anyways. So now I'm going in with these 2 packs of Express hair. I think it was like Brazilian or something like that, but it was like really, really good hair, and I got it from my local beauty supply store. So I think for 1 pack of 14-inch, I paid like maybe $25 for it or something like that, maybe $20. I don't know if you guys can see the price on the hair, but anyways, I'm just wrapping that hair around the ponytail, and I did use both packs, so that's why it looks a lot thicker opposed of me using 1.5 pack. So it does look a lot thicker than what I wanted, but that's fine because it's supposed to look a little bit thicker and not too slim. And then I'm going to take some Got To Be hairspray and spray it on that bang area. That way the bang doesn't move at all. I want this thing to be not stiff, but stiff enough to where it doesn't move throughout the day, because I knew I was going to finish this video the next day. So anyway, so now I'm just taking some of that hair from the back of that ponytail and wrapping it around the ponytail area. Kind of hard to explain, can't really explain that, but you guys see what I'm doing, just so that it can look more classy and it doesn't show like the tracks or the scrunchy look. So then I'm going to curl or try to flip the end of that Brazilian straight hair ponytail, but as you guys can see, I want it to look flipped, like all even, and not look like it was layered curls. So that's why I went in to cut it, and once I cut it, it turned out so much better. So I'm taking those flat irons just to flip up those ends again. And then I'm going to take that bristle brush just to brush it all up, like that flipped look. It's kind of hard to explain, but you have to train your hair, you guys, once you flat iron it or curl it, and you have to train it the way that you want it to flow or go. And then to finish off this look, I'm going to take that Got To Be hairspray and spray the ends of that flip and just spray the rest of the hair a little bit. I hope you guys really enjoyed this quick 90s hairstyle. And this hairstyle literally took probably like maybe 45 minutes, and that's because I had to straighten my bang part. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys really enjoy, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.